The function count is another very helpful function to know about. The count function will count the number of items in your data set. I find this helpful when I'm determining how many records I have in my data set, or when I'm checking to make sure I didn't miss any records during data entry. Let's navigate to the count function like we did before. Now highlight your data that you want to be counted. Click OK. Now you see it has counted the number of records in our data set, 10. It did not add them up. That's another function. Now let's say you want to only count some data. For example, let's say you want to know how many leaves are larger than 35 millimeters. You can do these kinds of queries using the countif function. Let's navigate to that function. Under Range, highlight the data you wish to count. Then, under Criteria, tell Excel what conditions you want it to count. You can use greater than symbols, less than symbols, equal sign, or even text. Let's set the criteria to leaves larger than 35. So type in a parentheses, greater than 35. Hit OK. And now you can see the function has returned a count on all leaves that are larger than 35 millimeters in our data set. So there are 5 leaves. Finally, let's examine the randbetween function. This is a helpful function when you need to create random numbers, say for random sampling. Let's navigate to the function like you did before. Now you're given 2 boxes to populate that represent the range of numbers you want to draw randomly from. The bottom box represents the smallest number, and the top box represents the largest number. So if you want to choose a random number between, say, 1 and 100, you'd enter 1 in the bottom box and 100 in the top box. Go ahead and do that now, and then click OK. So now you have one random number between 1 and 100. So what if you need 10 random numbers? Well, that's easy. Just copy and paste your function to 9 more cells. You can copy via right-clicking and select copy, and then just click on an empty cell where you want the function to go. Right-click, and then you can paste. Keep repeating this until you have all 10 values. Keep in mind, every time you do something to your worksheet, you'll notice that the numbers change randomly, and that's normal. Hope this has been helpful. I'll see you all next time.